Alliance Infinite Inspection, Training and Certification LLC is a leading third-party inspection and training company in USA, Middle East, North Africa, and Southeast Asia. We follow ISO and IEC 17020 to 2012 standard in all our inspection activities, and ISO and IEC 17025 to 2017 for testing calibration. Our main services are lifting equipment inspection, industry inspection, civil and building life cycle inspection, factory compliance inspection, supplier assessment services, first article inspection, during production inspection, inline inspection services, finished product inspection, pre-shipment inspection, container inspection services, container loading supervision, cargo inspection services, vendor inspection, electric safety audit, fire safety audit, production supervision services, QMS and IMS audit, HSE and technical trainings and assessments. Alliance Infinite has a well-equipped laboratory. We conduct lab testing for a wide range of products. Our major testing areas are mechanical, civil, electrical and electronic, environmental and chemical. We are capable of conducting tests based on different international standards like ISO, BS, EN, ANSI, DIN, IS, ASTM, BIFMA, SASO, etc. We strictly follow ISO and IEC 17020 to 2012 standard in all our inspection activities, and ISO and IEC 17025 to 2017 for testing and calibration. Alliance Infinite Inspection, Training and AMP Certification LLC is a one-stop solution for all your inspection, testing, calibration, training and assessments need. Contact us on info@theratedallianceinfinite.com or visit our website www.allianceinfinite.com.